going to present my independent project, modeling and assembling of SpaceX Dragon using SolidWorks. This is the abstract of my project. To design a SpaceX with the help of SolidWorks software, in this model having 7 individual parts, then assemble this component in this assembly tab to create a photorealistic view of the SpaceX Dragon by rendering the model using SolidWorks PhotoView 360. About SolidWorks. As most of us know, SolidWorks is a primary software to create a solid models, and it's widely used in engineering society. In this project, I'm using SolidWorks 2018 version to create my project. I'm going to walk through these contents in my today's presentations like SpaceX Dragon, plane setup, SpaceX Dragon and its parts, capsule, cabin, hatch, top side and left hand side, trunk, lock, final assembly. SpaceX Dragon. SpaceX Dragon is a reusable space capsule which is used to carrying humans to space and return to Earth. And the SpaceX capsule was designed and owned by SpaceX. This is a first reusable capsule launched by reusable rocket. This project was successfully launched on May 13, successfully docked with ISS on May 31st at 10:16 a.m. This picture shows the overall structure of the design of SpaceX Dragon. The topmost white part shows the design of the capsule. The bottom part which shows the design of Dragon. This is a plane setup which I have used to design the Dragon components. I'm using reference geometry command to create those planes. The top plane is 25,000 mm above from the bottom plane. The back plane is 10,000 mm offset from the front plane. This is then consider a given top plane as a bottom plane and the right plane as a mid plane. Then the other two planes are created by using reference geometry feature and the reference, and these are the plane settings for the SpaceX Dragon design. Capsule design. In this Dragon capsule, which is used to transport a human to space, in this part design, explain command was mostly used. The dimensions of the capsule is height of the capsule is 11,500 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 12,500 mm. The capsule is a solid model. The solid model has a cabin inside of the capsule. This is a capsule design which I have done. Cabin design, Dragon cabin, which is having a 4 human carrying capacity. It's also pressurized section. The dimensions of the cabin design is height is 7,000 mm and the diameter of the cabin is 3,350 mm. Left hand side picture which shows the actual interior. The right hand side picture which shows the what I have done in my slides. Capsule, cabin and capsules. These are providing astronauts safely entering and exiting from the capsule. This is acting as a like doors. And I'm done this part by using split line and save bodies command. Top patch. The top patch which is used to dock a SpaceX Dragon into ISS. In this dock design having a lock which is used to mate a capsule and top patch. I'm implementing this. The left hand side picture which shows a rendering model which I have done. Trunk design. Trunk is a part which is used to connect a spacecraft to Dragon. One half of the trunk is covered by solar panel which provide power to Dragon during flight and will on station. The height of the trunk is 13,500 mm. Diameter of the trunk is 11,500 mm. This part design circular pattern command was mostly used. This is the actual trunk design which I have done in my lock. It will help to join a capsule and a trunk of the Dragon. If the lock will undock in case of any urgent situation occurring on a spacecraft, the dimensions of the lock is length is 1000 mm, height is 3250 mm, width is 500 mm. The left hand side picture which is shows the actual part design of the lock. This picture was shown as a final assembly of the project. The left side view which is shown a photorealistic view, and the right side which is an actual view of SpaceX Dragon. The reference was taken from official SpaceX website. The picture and the model which is taken from this website and the measurements and calculations as is known. Thank you.